Jason, you have to be careful when you follow Steve.
Yes, sir.
Don't just assume his line is appropriate for us.
Now, why do you say that, Chris?
Steve, it's like Steve aims for the potholes. Well, there was our campsite for last night. My brother Dan came and made us from Hiawassee, and we had a great time. He cooked us dinner, and we all hung out with Christy and a couple of friends here from Horizons Unlimited. It was an awesome evening. We had a great time, slept well. It's very early, you can tell by the bags under my eyes. And we're a little worried because there's a massive weather front coming in. What do you guys think? Are we gonna ride in the rain or wait it out?
I don't know. Depends on how good the coffee is, I reckon.
Well, Jason's been caught apparently in his let me out, let me out. You're like in the cage.
I'm in the zoo.
In the zoo.
Don't feed the animals.
Jason's packing up quickly in case we do want to hightail it out of here with the rain, but I guess I gotta go do that too. But we're gonna have a fun day. A couple of water crossings today, so lots of drama. I hope Steve doesn't drop his bike again. Anyway, hang in there, guys. We got another fun day coming.
Potatoes and onions.
Wonderful, wonderful.
With some peppers. The bacon's already finished, and it looks as though Chris is making some tea.
Nice segue, Dan.
Yeah. I made coffee. Some of you may be unfamiliar with that high-tech piece of equipment right there. It's called a percolator.
So this is where we got off the interstate. We went over there.
Trying to figure out the GPS.
I figured it out. It's doing exactly what I need it to do.
You just can't explain it in Chris language.
The problem is, it's not doing what Chris wants it to do.
You want another one? Those are good, aren't they?
Mm.
How do I export it?
Click on the track, go up here to File.
All right.
Go to Export. Voila. Track.
That's GPX. Sweet.
We don't need no stinking Google. All right, we just left Tellico Plains, and Dan was so cool to have that big old spread for us all set up. And we are ready to begin day 3 on the TransAmerica Trail. And check this out, this is unbelievable. We're gonna be riding some dirt today, doing some water crossings. This is gonna be another amazing day of riding. We can't wait to take you guys with us. It is majorly wet. Everything is just soaked. We had a big storm go through overnight and this morning. So it's going to be interesting to see if we can make it across those water crossings. What do you think, Jason?
As they get progressively more difficult, generally, they're getting progressively more deep because of all of the rain. And he said that like the third one was the water is up to your gas tank. So we'll have to make some decisions when we get there on whether we're going to be able to make it. We don't want to flood our bikes on day 2 or whatever we're at and not make it all the way to Oklahoma.
That would kind of suck. We're on a trip to get to Oklahoma and flood one of your machines on day 3 really. We're back on dirt just for a little ways, but yeah, we're looking forward to a fun ride this morning. So stay with us. This is going to be a good one, guys. All right, got us a little intro out of the way. And I did roll my other GoPro, which is on my handlebars, so I got the talking head thing going.
Oh, awesome.
Hello.
Oh.
One down. Somebody get out a camera.
No, I'm good. It was an easy one. Here, I'll get you guys in the background. It goes to show, just a little slick corner of pavement. So here's what happened. I came around, got on this little narrow strip right here, and somehow my front wheel got stuck on that little slick spot. And off to the side it went. Trinity's great, nobody's hurt. Ready to roll? What do you think?
Nothing to it.
Are we gonna make it? Oh my gosh. I'm really scared.
How you doing there, Jason?
That's hilarious. I should have put my shield down.
I knew that was gonna happen. I'm sorry. Actually, I'm
You're
not.
not. You're not at all. Whew. Man, gotta get moving.
Man, it was thick back there. This jacket is gonna smell so funky when we get home.
I washed mine before we left for this trip. It's going to need it again by the time we get to your... Oh, geez. Oh, geez. It's right here.
Perfect. Is this the infamous one that...
No.
What you think, boys?
Steve's doing it. If you do it, you gotta let us record it, but...
I'm good with
It's
turning around.
shallow all the way across.
All right, let's record it and find out. Oh, hold on.
All right. Are you sure, Steve?
Yeah. I mean, you can see the gravel all the way across. You don't want to go to the left, that's for sure. What I'm seeing on the right-hand side, nothing to it. What you think? I'm ready.
All right, I'm ready on camera too.
All right.
Roll.
Ready?
Rolling.
Oh no. He was halfway up his bike. There is no way you and I are going.
So what are you guys saying?
We're saying that you're a lot taller than us, and you're gonna have to come back.
Jason,
Yeah.
come here. We gotta talk about this.
Okay.
I don't know. You got about halfway there, and like the water was over your thighs. And on our bikes, that means it's up to our hips.
So what you're saying is I got to come back.
That's what I'm saying. Come on.
All right, I'm on my way.
Wait. We're gonna get some epic footage of you coming back.
For the record, my bike is washed.
How does it feel to be bad to the bone?
It wasn't that bad.
You wait until you see the video, dude. You're gonna be like a half submerged under that thing. It looks like it's what, 6 inches deep, but I swear it's got to be 2 feet.
Well, I made it twice. I get the t-shirt. My feet are wet. Yeah, well, I can tell you I'll be drying my boots out tonight. Y'all come on. Can't believe y'all didn't even try that, you bunch of wusses.
Holy crap.
You wait till you see the video, man. You are half submerged. Easy. Do you want us to wait up, let you dump your boot out?
Nah. I'm gonna tell you one thing. I'm glad I had this thing in first gear, manual, no traction control. Because I was just hammering. I was gonna go in and come out big, or I was gonna go down big. I got some bragging rights now.
You do.
Oh, your pannier just opened up, buddy.
Who, me?
Left side, yes sir. Stop.
Thank you.
There you go. That's good.
So after you guys left the lobby this morning, I was talking to Wayne, and he said that he's had guys this year, because the water is so high. You know, the first one is like a puddle normally, and it was pretty deep just for us. And you saw how deep the second one was. They get exponentially worse from there, deeper and deeper. And he said he's had guys drop their bikes in the fourth one who have been riding all their lives. They're on adventure bikes designed for off-road, like big old KTMs, GS 1200s, and even the dirt bike guys drop their bikes and come back, spend the whole day cleaning up their engines, getting water out of their engines, and tell him that it's the first time they've dropped their bike on a water crossing, and they've been doing water crossings for years.
Well, that makes up my mind.
So us normal street guys, I think we did pretty good just to cross one.
I'm going to say this, because I have turned around now. I could have made it.
Oh yeah, I could have seen you make it on your Africa Twin. Our bikes are that much shorter and suspension that much less, so those little rocks underneath the water surface that you get to absorb,
Yeah, the 21-inch.
they throw us off. Yeah,
That 21-inch front wheel doesn't hurt either.
21-inch front wheel versus our 17. Well, my 17s. Jason's got a 19.
Yep.
But still.
It's a cool place. We ended up stopping for a quick little side of the road munchy snacky thingy. Look at our spread. Got peanut butter, carrots, and celery. Thanks for all that, Steve. Got trail mix and apricots and blah blah blah. What you think of the riding so far?
Man, it's awesome. We've had some really cool areas. The woods, the river, it's just incredible.
Go ahead and tell us, Steve. Was there any particular area that you thought was
Personally, I enjoyed the water crossings. Both of them. Now, ask these guys how many they did.
Steve is never going to let us live that down. Yeah, he thinks he's bad to the bone. We know he is, but we're never going to tell him that. Hey guys, I'm going to go over here and see what Jason's been up to. I wanted to ask you what you have in your camera bag.
On the tank bag, we have a dry bag.
Ooh!
And since you guys are going super modern and super perfect with your camera gear, I figured I'd go the other direction and go a little vintage Russian. So I have, a 50mm 3.5 Russian Industar.
Dang.
So, and the thing about this, it's a pancake lens, which means it fits in anywhere, right? So 50mm, everybody loves that. 3.5 is plenty bright. 1978 by the serial number, old, but awesome.
I love it.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Cool.
sure you know where you're going. You're gonna end up in some stranger's driveway. And this is nice. We have arrived at Griff's house. And what? Ford's Lake?
Tim's Ford.
Tim's Ford Lake. What did you think? What was today's ride like?
Long, even though we got a late start because we went all around our ass to get to our elbow, which is the whole point of this thing, isn't it? And the rain was cool because it went away because we waited it out this morning.
We actually looked out pretty good. Well, thanks guys, but great episode. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, follow along. We have lots of cool, fun stuff coming tomorrow. Tomorrow we head out into the unknown. We've got everything kind of planned up for today. After we leave tomorrow, we have no idea where we're going, what we're doing, what we're staying. So it's gonna be an adventure. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.
Hey, so we've got a problem.
It's not really much of a problem.
Mine will make it.
Think you ever make it?
I don't know about Steve's.
You think you ever make it?
I get a run and start at it. I think I'm good.
You think so? Well, yeah. I don't know. Maybe?
Too narrow?
I think it might be a problem. Okay.
Guess who they volunteered to go first?